Yeah, they're back on it again with another video, and today we just discuss the history in baking. So, when looking at the history of baking, we have to start off with bread, which is certainly the base for other types of baking such as cakes and biscuit, pastry, etc. As people become more skilled at baking and leading techniques, a greater variety of ingredients became available. Yeah. These baked goods began to assert their individuality and gradually earn names of their own. So now when we try to define baking in the most general sense, yes, in the most general sense, we mean anything that has a flour base and is cooked in an oven. For example, cake, cupcakes, muffin, pizza, chicken, different types of baked chicken, etc. But anyways, let's go back to the beginning. What started it all? Bread. And bread has become an important staple since Stone Age farmers created the first flatbread. And check out the next video where we're going to go in depth into bread. Remember?
No.
Just a clip of the upcoming video.
No, she on next I can never share this cupcake with anybody.